told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands.
Hello guys, welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is a clean and decorate with me. I've been so excited to share this one. I love that the weather has finally picked up and I can start all of my summer cleaning, and in today's video I'm continuing to transform my house into a modern farmhouse, sort of Scandinavian type of vibe, and I just love how it's turning out. So do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave today's video a thumbs up and let's just jump straight into it. So of course the first thing I need to do is sort out this kitchen and do the washing up. Most of the time now I am keeping on top of it, but of course there are still days where I just don't. So I'm going to make sure that I get this done first thing so I can just concentrate on everything else. I always love to start off in the kitchen. If I'm doing an all day in a whole house, as soon as the kitchen's done, it just motivates me to carry on and do everything else. So let me know down in the comments what room motivates you to get the rest of your house done too.
Don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me.
So once I had all the washing up done, I could go ahead and put everything back where it belongs, wipe down all of the sides, get it nice and clean, and then we can move on from there.
Get it going tonight. Don't wanna miss it like I did every time. I'm straight to the bucket list. You need to get all the things done. There's no time for sleep. Get away, fulfill our dreams today. We all need to go.
Okay, so I'm now in the front room and I just need to give it a quick tidy up, but it feels so good to be able to have those double doors just wide open, letting the whole downstairs breathe. I know that sounds a little bit weird, but I just feel like the house needs to breathe sometimes, and having the doors open and just airing everything out makes it feel 10 times better. So I am just loving the weather right now. I know I bang on about it all the time, but it just makes me like a completely different person in the summer, and it just really makes me feel so good. So I love the fact that I can now have the doors open, the house can breathe, and everything can just be super fresh and clean. So it was actually at this point of the video I decided to switch things up again. Doing a bit of a summer refresh and different decor wasn't even on my mind this morning, but having the sun shining through and it just being so hot made me rethink having these thick blankets and fluffy cushions out. They're so nice and cozy, but it is just a little bit too hot for them. So I kept sort of trying to rearrange them, step back, have a look, and realise that they just had to go. So I'm going to pop them away until the colder months come back, and I'm just going to try and have it a bit more light and airy in here. So I picked this cushion up from Primark. I've actually had it for a couple of months now, but I've just kept it away until I change up my decor. So today was the perfect day to bring it out. It was only £10 as well. I think that's an absolute bargain for a cushion of this size, and the quality is so good. So Primark Home has definitely upped their game lately, and I'm definitely here for it. I love having the different texture in the front room now, rather than just having the fluffy cushions. I really think that it's slowly coming together, and I'm really excited for what this room is going to end up looking like.
I don't want it any other way. Let's go for the win.
Okay, so I have been so excited to share this with you guys, try it out and just talk about it because you know that I love a good fragrance. So when 𝚂𝙾𝙾𝚃𝚂 got in touch, I really hope that I'm pronouncing that right, but when they reached out and asked if I wanted to try out one of their diffusers along with their essential oils, obviously I was super excited because I love things like this. This is exactly the type of thing that I look for, so I was super excited to try it out. So they sent me the floral set as well as the fruit set, so I've got lots to choose from. But as I opened it, I was actually pleasantly surprised to see that there's also a 7 DIY essential oil blends sort of mix, so you know exactly what you can mix together and all of their benefits and everything, which I thought was really cool. It comes with the floral and the fruit, and it's just so helpful to know exactly what they can do when you mix them together, so I thought that was really handy. I really like that. And moving to this, I think it's so pretty. It's exactly what I'm going for. Neutral wood tones are just perfect, and I just think it's super pretty. So I'm just going to turn it around so you can see what's actually on here. So you've got the on button obviously with the mist, and there's also a 1 hour, 3 hour or 6 hour timer. So if you only have it on for an hour, it will just automatically shut off, which I think is really good if you're going out and you want to leave it on for a little while but you don't want it on all day. It will just turn off. And then there's also a light setting. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it because I am filming in daylight, but it's so pretty. This is actually 300 ml, so you can fit quite a bit of water in it and you don't have to refill it all the time, which is also handy. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop some in. What colour should we go for? I'm thinking pink because this is me after all, so let's have that colour. It also comes with the little pot to put the water in so you can measure it all out. So all you have to do is pop it in the top, and I think I'm going to go with the cherry blossom because that one just smells incredible. This honestly couldn't be any easier to use. So now I've got the oil in there, I'm just going to pop the lid on and turn it on, and I'm going to have it on for 6 hours. So I'm going to set it to the 6 and just let it do its thing. But instantly, look at that mist. It's so pretty. I absolutely love this. Honestly, I actually can't recommend this product enough. It works amazingly. All of the scents smell gorgeous, and this is just something that I'm going to be using for years. I know that I'm going to have it on every single day. It just goes with my decor perfectly. The smells are just beautiful. Everything about it, I absolutely love it. So do go and check it out. Everything is going to be in my description box. Let me know in the comments as well what your favorite fragrance is and what one you're going to pick up. But right now, let's jump straight back into cleaning.
Trying to take a deep breath, but I just can't control my lungs. Ooh. Trying to hide my cold sweat, but I just keep on talking in tongues. It's a funny situation that I got myself into. I can't help my own frustration, 'cause I think I like it. I think I like it. Got nothing to lose. 'Cause I think I like it. Tell me if you like me too. How can you move the way you do? It's making me crazy, yeah. You're moving just like you own the room. Make it look easy. I wanna take you away to somewhere we can be by ourselves. I see you looking my way, so maybe it's not all in my head. It's a funny situation that I got myself into. I can't help my own frustration, 'cause I think
Okay, so I am absolutely in love with this coffee table. This was an upcycle I'd done over on my other channel, so I will have it linked down below if you want to see the whole process. But I just love having a wooden coffee table. I didn't realise I would love it as much as I do, but I really think it makes this room feel 10 times cozier and homely. And now I'm looking forward to getting some shelves to put up on the wall. I'm thinking of staining them with the walnut stain as well, just to bring in even more wood tones and to just tie them in with the coffee table. I think it would look really nice, so I can't wait to get that done. But right now it's time to head upstairs and sort the bedroom out, just make the bed, sort out any washing or anything like that, and just make the room nice and cozy, ready for this evening. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really hope that you've enjoyed it and you found all the motivation that you came looking for. Do go ahead and leave today's video a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming summer content. I can't wait to start sharing lots more summer cleaning and decorating with you guys. So don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you back here in the next one.